So say we have a problem like this. How would we solve that? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how. So before you solve this, what you want to do is you want to take these two numbers, the ones across from each other. We're going to take the 6 and the 3 first, since they're diagonal. It only works with diagonal numbers.
Can 3 go into 6?
Yes, they can. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3.
Just talking about doing that diagonal thing, you're going to use that to simplify for bigger numbers. So I'm going to talk more about that later in the video. So make sure to stick around.
The first step you want to do is multiply across. You can't do 6 times 3 or 7 times 2 or 6 times 7. No, only across from each other. So what you would do is 7 times 3, which is 21. Then you would do 6 times 2, 12. So what does this equal? 21 over 12. But this is an improper fraction, and your teacher doesn't like improper fractions. So what do? You simplify. You know how to do this. Then your answer is 7 over 4. It's still an improper fraction. So what we just did is we simplified. Now we're going to turn it into an improper fraction. So 7 goes into 4 one time. Scratch that out, 1. So we're going to put a 1 over here. Then the remainder that's left over is 3, because 7 minus 4
is 3.
Your final answer is 1 3/4. It cannot be simplified, not an improper fraction. It's a mixed number. Okay, so now we're going to try to start with different numbers. Say we had, okay, how do you solve this? Take some time to figure out this question. In a minute, I'll get back to you. Tell me the answer. So say we have this, but we don't want to go through the trouble of simplifying after. This is the easier way. You're going to simplify before you get the answer. That's always step 1. Sometimes you can't simplify, so if you can't, then just go straight to the multiplying.
4 can go into 12 evenly 3 times, so that means you can cross them both out and put a 3.
Now let's try answering it. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 8 is 24. Then we wanted 18 divided by 6, which is 3, and then 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Our final answer is 3 over 4.
This is me doing the same exact way, except one different. I didn't simplify at the beginning. You can see that the number's a lot bigger, but if you keep simplifying, it goes down to 3 over 4. That's why I recommend simplifying first.
6 4 times 12 is 8. 6 4 times 12 over 8 as a fraction. Okay, let's try one more practice problem. You have 1 minute on the clock to figure it out. Go, go, go! Okay, well the timer's up. Let's figure it out. You have 20 seconds to figure out the question. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video, and right now we're going to go over the answer. Feel free to pause the video while you're working on the question. 7 over 4 times 14 over 21, but now we're going to go over the answer. 17 times 2. First thing we have to do is simplify. So how we're going to simplify is 7 times 21. 3, 2, 1. So we can only do it diagonally, so let's figure it out. 7 goes into 21 3 times, so you're going to cross them both out with 3. And then these two we can't because 4 doesn't go into 14 evenly. So now we're going to do 4 times 3, which is 12. And 3 times 14, which is 42. So we can simplify this into 14 over 4. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute to solve the question. Okay, so feel free to pause the video if you need more time, but right now we're going to go over the answer. 17 times 14 is 7 times 14 is 7 times 14. 98. 4 times 21 is 84. And this can simplify. Like, subscribe, share this video with your friend, and tell me if this was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.